A woman at a gas station was acting strange, and the security guard turned pale after seeing what she was doing. Marcus worked as a security guard at a small gas station. His nights were usually calm. He watched the cameras and took notes. But one night, something unusual caught his eye. A woman arrived on foot holding a small gas can. She stood near a pump, looking around like she didn't want to be seen. After a car filled up and drove away, the woman rushed to the pump and started collecting leftover gas into her can. Marcus froze in shock. She wasn't forgetting to pay. She was stealing gas on purpose. He ran to the station, but she had already disappeared. The same thing happened several times. Each time she escaped before he could catch her. Tired of missing her, Marcus made a plan. He grabbed a mobile monitor and hid near the pumps. After waiting an hour, he saw her again. But this time, something unbelievable happened. Marcus waited behind the gas station, watching the live camera on his mobile screen. After an hour, the woman showed up again. She looked around just like before, holding the same small gas can. She didn't see Marcus hiding nearby. She walked up to the pump, reached for the hose, and began collecting the leftover gas. Marcus knew this was his chance. He waited until she filled the can, then jumped out and shouted, "Stop!" The woman froze for a second, then grabbed her gas can and ran. Marcus chased her down the street. She was fast, but the gas can slowed her down. Marcus pushed himself harder and finally caught up to her near an old building. He grabbed her arm and stopped her. The woman didn't fight. She looked scared but calm. She asked Marcus to follow her inside. He was confused but agreed. Inside the building, Marcus saw something shocking. It wasn't empty. There were mattresses, shopping carts, and small cooking setups. People started coming out from the shadows. They looked tired, cold, and dirty. A little girl walked up and said hello. The woman gave the gas can to the girl and told her to give it to her father. Marcus tried to stop her, but the woman raised her hand and said, "Please, let me explain." She told Marcus her name was Amber. The people in the building were homeless. They had nowhere else to go. The city didn't help them, and the nights were freezing. The stolen gas powered a battery that gave them light and heat. Amber had spent all her money helping these people. She even started a small group to bring them food and supplies, but she couldn't afford fuel anymore. Marcus stood silently. His anger turned into sadness. He now understood the truth. Instead of calling the police, Marcus made a decision. He said he would buy gas for them every day. He also set up a donation box at the gas station. The community started to help. People donated money, clothes, and food. In just a few weeks, they raised enough to power the shelter for a whole year. Marcus kept the donation box going. What started as a crime became a mission of hope.